In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlink to text in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any piece of text into a clickable link that takes visitors where you want them to, whether that's another page on your site or an external URL. First, click on the text you want to make clickable. You can do this directly on the canvas or by selecting the text layer from the Layers panel. If you only want a specific word or phrase to be linked, double-click to enter text editing and highlight just that portion. This works the same way for headings, paragraphs, and most text elements in Framer. If your text is nested inside a frame or stack, make sure you've actually selected the text layer itself, so the link applies to the right element. With the text selected, look to the right-hand Properties panel and find the field labeled Link To. Click into that field and paste your link. If you're linking to an external website, include the full address with HTTPS to avoid broken links. If you're linking within your Framer project, you can choose a page from the suggestions or start typing its name to target it quickly. You can also link to a specific section on a page if you've set up anchors or scroll targets. After pasting or selecting this destination, press enter or click away to confirm. Framer will apply the link immediately. You'll usually see a subtle style change like an underline or a color shift, depending on your text styles. You can keep that default for clarity or adjust the text color and decoration in your typography settings so it matches your design system. Just make sure the linked text remains clearly identifiable and readable for accessibility. If you want the link to open in a new tab, look for the option related to new tab behavior in the link settings and toggle it on. This is handy for external sites so visitors don't lose their place. If your link doesn't seem clickable, check that no other layer is overlapping it and that the text isn't inside a component that intercepts clicks. To quickly verify your work, use Preview and hover over the text. You should see the cursor change, and clicking it should take you to the destination you set. That's all there is to it. Click your text, then paste the destination in the link to field. Save your changes and you're ready to publish with confident, accessible hyperlinks.